The charge size ratio of cation determines its polarizing power. Which one of the following sequences represent the increasing order of the polarizing power of cationic species? So, if I take A plus and B minus, A plus is cation and B minus is anion. The electron cloud around B minus is spherically symmetric or uniformly distributed around the B. But when cation approaches an anion, the electron cloud of anion is attracted towards cation and hence it gets distorted. This effect is called polarization of the anion. The power of cation to polarize the anion is called its polarizing power, and the tendency of anion to get polarized is called polarizability. So, this polarization, polarizability or polarizing power, it explains the covalent character of ionic compounds. In ionic compounds, the electron cloud will be in between the bonded atoms. In between the two bonded atoms, the electron cloud will be there. Whereas in ionic compound, the electrons are transferred from cation to anion. Means A plus to B minus, the electrons will be transferred. So now what happens when a cation approaches an anion? The electron cloud of anion is attracted towards the cation and hence gets distracted. This power of cation to polarize the anion is called polarizing power. This polarizing power of cation will be more if the size of the cation is small. Smaller the size of cation, greater is its polarizing power. Smaller the size of the cation, greater is its polarizing power, and more will be the covalent nature of an ionic compound. Now let us see the examples given here: potassium, calcium ion, magnesium ion, beryllium ion. In these cases, with increase in the size of cation, polarizing power decreases. So, potassium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium. Potassium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium. So, the increasing order of polarizing power of cations they are asking. So, potassium polarizing power with respect to charge also we need to explain the polarizing power. So, with respect to size I explained, smaller the size of the cation, more will be the polarizing power, and larger the charge on the cation, more will be the polarizing power. Larger the charge on the cation, greater is its polarizing power, because the electron cloud of the anion is more easily and strongly attracted by the cation if the charge of cation is more. So, if I take potassium, beryllium, magnesium and calcium, the polarizing power of potassium should be less because of its small size charge. The charge is only 1 plus here. In case of beryllium, magnesium, calcium, charge is 2 plus. So, K plus is least, will have less polarizing power compared to the other 3 ions. And coming to beryllium, magnesium and calcium, with increase in the size of cation, polarizing power decreases. So, potassium is less than calcium, calcium is less than magnesium, magnesium is less than beryllium. That should be your answer. Potassium is less than calcium, calcium is less than magnesium, magnesium is less than beryllium. So, To summarize, when a cation approaches anion, the electron cloud of the anion is attracted towards the cation. So this is called polarizing power of cation. The polarizing power of cation increases with increase in the charge of cation and with decrease in the size of the cation. So what is your answer? Potassium should be less than calcium, calcium is less than magnesium, magnesium is less than beryllium. That is your answer.